Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Fashom unboxing today. And it's very exciting because Fashom, they send you a preview of what they picked for you. They send you either 7 things or 5 things to look at. I think once you become more established, they only send you 5 things in your preview. And so you already see what they're sending you. So for me, who loves to peek, it's amazing. So I'm really excited because I think I pretty much like everything that they've sent. So Fashom, I'll leave down below in the description box all about Fashom. I believe the styling service, I think it's $20 per style box, and it's on demand. It's not a subscription, so it's on demand. It's pretty cool. Let's get into it. Again, there's a referral link for Fashom to get $10 off your first box. I do remember the first box that you do with them, there's no styling fee. The styling fee is waived. But the boxes after that, I believe, are $20. Hey Rachel, it's Fashom box time. In this September box, I included some fall trends that will keep you comfy yet looking put together as you get ready for your big move. I'm telling everyone I'm moving. I'm especially excited for you to try our soft bamboo blend twisted hem middle shop olive green top. That will be a nice fall layering piece. Sorry, it was really descriptive. The other tops have a fun print and will look great with those cut jeans, cut with a K. She sent me some cut from the cloth jeans, which I don't think I've ever tried because they're expensive. I know Stitch Fix sends cut from the cloth jeans a lot. Take care, Rachel, and I hope the move goes smoothly. Your stylist, Morgan. Yay! All right. Oh yeah, here. Okay, so dun dun dun. The other cool thing is, if you buy three or four items, you get 25% off. If you buy all 5 items, you get 30% off, which is the most off of any box I've tried. And you have 3 days to decide which items you want to keep, and then you send it back in the prepaid mailer. And then for each Fashom box sent, they donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City Dogs. So that's always great. Very exciting. All right. Let's see. We'll go over the prices after. Get into the bundle. Why do I have to rip into things like a savage? I'm a savage. No, I'm not. Alright, Middle Shop Green Label. This is the bamboo one. It is made from a rare bamboo fiber which possesses natural bacteriostatic activity that enhances features such as softness, brightness, smoothness, and air permeability. Okay. Very cute color. I love green. Has that twist on the bottom. It is very soft. Has a V-neck there, which my husband appreciates. Who doesn't? Yeah, that's really nice staple, like she said, for fall. Layer some cute cardigans over it. Excited. Next, we have a couple animal print tops. Oh, hey color. Hey light. Let's get back. So this one's really cute, and this one's really soft as well. Also a V-neck from Ninexis. Nice sleeve length, I think. Just kind of a plain bottom. Just a nice V-neck t-shirt. Also probably really great for layering. This next one's a little wild. Not just because it's animal print, but it has neon pink with it. You ready? And then it has this ruffle on the sleeve. I don't know. I wanted to try it. I thought it was cute. Maybe it won't be, but maybe it'll look more like a dance recital costume. But I wanted to try it. So don't judge me. You can judge me. It's fine. I don't care. So we'll try that. And then we have this navy top. With the patterned sleeve, like a baseball tee kind of top, which I thought was cute too. I don't have tons of navy stuff, but I'm willing to try. I like that it carries over into the neck right there, with that kind of pinks and reds and purple paisleys and whatnot, and white. Cute. And then last we have the cut from the cloth black denim. It's the high-rise Donna ankle skinny. So it has real pockets in the front, real pockets in the back. It's just plain, no distressing or anything. No frayed cuff or anything. Just a nice basic black pair of denim. So let's get to trying everything on. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up so far. I mean, you know, we were only a few minutes in, but if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button somewhere down below, and I'd really appreciate it. Okay, so here we have the first green top. I think it's a little too big. What do you guys think? I don't know. I mean, it's nice and comfy, but it is a little bit big, I think. The tie is way down here, which that's fine. I mean, it'd be good for leggings, it being a little bit longer. And then we have the cut from the cloth jeans, which fit really well, actually. They're really cute. See, and that's what, like, this longer shirt kind of hides that. I would even, like, tie it or tuck it or something because it is longer. Like that. So it is versatile, you know, you could wear it with leggings long, or you could tuck it in to your nice pair of black cut from the cloth denim jeans. Let's pan down and wait for the light to come back. There it is. So it's a really nice length. It's that ankle skinny. So it's perfect length. It hits me right below the ankle. So I'm really liking these. It could be my first cut from the cloth jeans, you guys. What do you think? I need more coffee, or less coffee at this point. But yeah, I really like the color of the shirt. I like the sleeve length. I might see if they have it in a smaller size, because it is a little roomy. But like I said, it's not a horrible thing. All right, let's try on the next ones. Okay, I think I do like this shirt better. It's an animal print, and it's not like a print that I have already in my closet, because this is more like, it's almost like paint splotches kind of design, like someone took a paintbrush and just went down it. Does that make sense? I like the V-neck. I think that's really cute. You can tuck it into the jeans. Super cute. I really like this. I think this is a really cute look. You could put like a cardigan over it, or like a dark green or something. The black denim. I think I have to keep these. They're really cute. You could tie this one. I'll tie it in the mirror here so I can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I think that's really cute. Okay, these two are keepers. Let's try on the other two. So I put this on and I literally started laughing. I think it's the sleeves for me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it a little too, like, costumey? A little too Carol Baskins? I like this. I like that hot pink crisscross. I think that's so cute. I think it's just maybe the ruffle. I don't know. It could go either way. It could go costumey or it could go out there, stylish. I don't know. It doesn't, I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I just don't know. Here we have the last top. And I think it's nice. It's really long. A lot of the shirts I've gotten from Fashom are really long. So I don't know what that's about. But that means they're kind of versatile because you can wear them over leggings. I still have the black jeans on, but imagine these were leggings. You can wear them over that. Or like I said previously or have been doing, you can tuck it in the front and then just kind of let it drape, but then still have that coverage in the back. Or you can tie it in the front in a knot, which is what I like to do because it gives you some waist definition, you know? So you can tie it like that. Kind of just tuck the ends under. And I think this is a really cute top. I wouldn't wear this navy with the black, I don't think. But I really like it. It's really comfortable and soft, kind of casual. But you could, you know, dress it up with like that long necklace kind of thing, which I got in my last FabFitFun box. Yeah. What do you guys think of this one? I like the paisley pattern on the sleeves. I think that's really cute. You know, I'm not hating it with the black jeans. You just don't see, you know, navy and black a lot together, I guess. But I think that's cute. I like how the pattern continues right here. Yeah. I like this one. Okay, so I like everything except for the one that I just had on, the pink crisscross. Alright, let's go over prices. This has been a good box, you guys. Okay, I got my calculator. I got the price sheet. So this is nice that it actually tells you the price with like the 25% off if you were to keep 3 or more, and then all 5 it gives you the 30% off price. So the original price of the cut from the cloth Donna high-rise ankle skinny jeans is $62, which cut from the cloth jeans that you would get from Stitch Fix I've seen are like $80 or $90. So I don't know, maybe it's an old model. So if I were to keep it along with 2 other things, it would be 25% off, so it'd be $46.50. Like, I'm gonna keep those. The Middle Shop Bamboo V-neck twisted side knit top in that olive color is originally $42. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I don't know. The Nenaxis Franny short sleeve top in that kind of brushed paint animal print is originally $45. If I keep it, $33.75. And the Chris and Carol printed sleeve waist length top with the paisley sleeves is originally $35. If I keep it, $26.25. The Storyteller Melinda leopard print top with the pink sleeves, $47. $35.25 if I were to keep 3 or more. So let's do math on the 3 I think I'm going to keep. I'm going to keep the jeans, I'm going to keep that other leopard top, and I think I'm going to keep the navy top. Because I don't have a lot of navy tops. I do have a lot of green tops. So, okay, let's do math. Ready? $46.50 plus $33.75 plus $26.25 is $106.47 if I keep those 3 items. Which I think is pretty good because you get a cut from the cloth top, you know, pair of jeans. $106.47. I think I'm going to do it. What do you guys think? Did you like this box? I think this was one of my better Fashom boxes yet. They just keep getting better, which, you know, that's, you got to kind of have patience sometimes with the styling boxes as they get to know your style and what you like. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a really great day. I'm off to probably do some more packing and stuff for the house. So, how much more packing can I do? We still live here, so we need things. But thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.